canals of Bruges. Enjoy yourself. View it as the May Bridge, one of the oldest of the city, dating from the 13th century, so it is 700 years old. And on your left there's a lady, she has lost her contact lenses in the water, she is searching for them, and she's naked. These two bridges in front of you are romantic, you'll find in lots of postcards. The canals of Bruges are 16 kilometers long. Today we are doing 5 kilometers. We have 41 bridges and the water is between 1 and 3 meters deep with 4 traders. People like this, that's the only reason. Writers: Edgar Allan Poe, William Blake, Jane Austen, Sisters Bronte, and the others. This movie is made in front of you in this wooden hotel. Colin jumps out of the window in the water here. And on your right, in this cafe shop, you can drink 1,100 different beers. You will be drunk for 3 months. On your left in this hotel, one night cost €400. The 720 crystal windows are coming from Murano, Venezia. And today we have seen the statue of Jan van Eyck. His paintings are on your left in the Groningen Museum. The musea in Belgium are closed always on Mondays. The houses on your left are very little, 50 square meter, and you know the price, it's 500,000 euro. In Portugal, I can buy 3 good houses for that money. It's modern art, and in front of you it's the brewery Haltemaan. You can taste 2 local beers, Bruxelles and Strava Hendrik, and make guided tours up on the chimney. 12th century, no backups anymore, but Benedictine sisters living. It's free, you can visit and see how people lived in the 17th century on your right. And you can see the Muscat bear also, between 2 pillars in front of you, in the middle, holding a shield. I show you. The swans doesn't want him here. It's a kind of a new bird. I haven't seen him before, I think. So, the Madonna. Yes, this is a real new bird. It's the first time I see today. And what he wants, he cannot eat meat, but yeah, it's like a duck. Yeah, it's like a big duck. A little bit bigger duck. Okay. The plants on your right is a hop test field for making beer. You can read it. Ladies and gentlemen, we arrive at the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed it. You can always leave behind a little tip as an appreciation and gratitude for your charming captain here. And I wish you a nice visit back to the beautiful States, England, everywhere you go. Thank you very much. Bye.